Hey guys, it's Dan here. I know it's not Wednesday, and I know I'm not going to do this dish in cast iron, but I wanted to show you guys something to make it real easy to grill, to where you can sit back and enjoy the company of everybody else. I'm inside the houseboat prepping at the moment because everybody's outside and they're making too much noise. But what I have here is I have some Johnsonville Italian sausage to mild. I have some sweet peppers. I'm only going to use half of these. As 1 pound, I'll use 8 ounces. And I got a real big yellow onion. I'm going to dice it up, but I'm only going to use half of it. And then I'll show you how I prepare everything to go on the grill. That way you can sit and chat with everybody, and you're not a slave to the grill while everybody else is having fun. I'll be right back here in a few minutes. Alright, I'm back. I got everything prepped. Got some aluminum foil down. I'm just going to spray it a little bit so nothing sticks. Here's all my peppers and onions. I'm just going to bring them over to this. I got my 5 Italian sausages. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this up into a bag. I'll be right back with you once I get this all rolled up. Alright, got the sides all rolled up and everything. The very last step, and I know some people might hurt their feelings or whatnot, but every now and then you do have to donate a little bit of beer to the cooking gods. So let me get around the camera this way so I don't spill too much of this. And this is a 12-ounce can, and I'm going to put roughly about 6 ounces of it in. Because the cooking gods don't need the whole beer. And then I'm just going to roll this up real tight. I got my grill preheating already. As soon as it gets to between 375 and 350, I'm going to throw this pouch on. The pouch only has to stay on between a half hour and 45 minutes. The peppers and onions get steamed real good. The Italian sausage gets cooked all the way through. Let me turn this air conditioner off for just a second. But everything gets cooked all the way through in about 45 minutes. Everything's steamed super good. So let me roll this up, let me get everything out to the grill, and I'll be back with you here in just a few minutes. Alright, I got the grill about where I want it. I got the 2 outside burners on medium high, the inside burners are turned off. Okay. So let me throw this pack right here in the middle. And like I said, the burners underneath this are off. I just have the outside 2 on. About 45 minutes, I'll open this pack and I'll show you what we got. Alright guys, this is how this Italian sausage turned out. I got those sweet peppers on there. I got that onion on there. Only thing I didn't add is a little touch of mustard, but I'll probably add that here in just a minute. That being steamed on that grill with that beer in there and that foil pack, like I said, about 45 minutes on 375 degrees. That was tender, juicy. I apologize for talking with my mouth full, but I took a very big bite. Well, you all have a wonderful day, and thank you very much for watching my video.